Are you overwhelmed with managing candidates? Struggling to keep track of who's who in your hiring process? Meet Breezy, your ultimate candidate management solution. With our intuitive drag and drop pipelines, effortlessly customize your hiring stages. Stay on top of your pipeline at a glance, making management a breeze. Access rich candidate profiles where everything is organized. Email, schedule interviews, and review assessments with just one click. Our seamless SMS and email features allow you to communicate effortlessly with candidates. Plus, stay updated via Slack and manage tasks without leaving the platform. Automate your workflows to save time and reduce repetitive tasks. Breezy's AI-powered candidate match score helps prioritize the best fit candidates instantly, eliminating guesswork. Collaboration is key. With shared notes and video screening, your hiring team makes informed decisions together. Streamline your interviews with self-scheduling features and integration with your calendars. Take the first step towards better hiring. Start using Breezy today and transform your recruitment process into a powerhouse of efficiency.